Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen staple that has stood the test of time, a piece of cookware that's as much an investment as it is a workhorse. We're talking about the All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel 10-inch frying pan, covered. This isn't just any frying pan, it's the original bonded professional cookware, proudly made in the USA, and it's built to last a lifetime. Let's start by talking about what makes this pan so special, and that's the D3 Tri-ply construction. All-Clad has been doing this since 1971, and they've perfected it. You've got 2 layers of stainless steel sandwiching a core of aluminum. This isn't just some marketing gimmick. This construction is the secret sauce behind that impeccable heat distribution and retention. What does that mean for you in the kitchen? It means no more hot spots where one part of your food is burnt while another is still barely warm. You get consistent, even heating across the entire cooking surface, which is absolutely crucial for achieving professional results, whether you're searing a steak, browning chicken, or sautéing delicate vegetables. The D3 stainless steel surface is where the magic happens when it comes to searing and browning. It's designed to get beautifully browned food, giving you that perfect crust we all crave. And because it's high-quality stainless steel, it's durable and won't react with your food, ensuring that your flavors stay pure. Now, let's talk about the design itself. All-Clad cookware is inspired by professionals, and you can see that in every detail. The handle, for instance, is a classic riveted design. It's shaped for a chef's underhand grip, and this might sound small, but it makes a huge difference in balance and control, especially when the pan is full and heavy. It feels really secure in your hand. The pan itself has a highly polished finish, giving it a timeless, stylish look that will grace any kitchen. And don't overlook the flared edge, which is designed for precise, drip-free pouring. No more messy drips down the side of your pan onto your stovetop. This 10-inch size is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for searing 2 to 3 chicken breasts at once, making it ideal for families or if you're meal prepping. The low, sloped sides are a deliberate design choice. They make it easy to flip and turn your food, which is particularly important when you're dealing with more delicate items like fish. Beyond its cooking capabilities, the All-Clad D3 is built to outlast. It's precision engineered and has been third-party tested for safety, giving you that peace of mind that you're using a product that's both high-performing and reliable. Backed by 5 decades of manufacturing expertise, All-Clad has truly set the standard for professional kitchen performance, and this pan is a testament to that legacy. Now, let's consider the practicalities. This pan is oven and broiler safe up to a whopping 600 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning you can seamlessly transfer your dish from the stovetop to the oven to finish cooking or keep it warm. It's also compatible with all stovetops, including induction, which is fantastic for modern kitchens. However, it's important to note that handwashing is recommended for this cookware. While it's durable, the stainless steel surface and bonded construction benefit from a gentle handwash to maintain its pristine condition over the years. And, of course, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty, which speaks volumes about All-Clad's confidence in their product. Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, you have unparalleled heat distribution and retention thanks to the tri-ply construction. The build quality is exceptional, making it an heirloom piece. The design is ergonomic and functional, enhancing control and ease of use. Its versatility is undeniable, suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks. And the fact that it's made in the USA with a lifetime warranty adds significant value and peace of mind. On the con side, the most significant factor for many will be the price. All-Clad cookware is an investment, and this pan is no exception. The recommended handwashing can also be a deterrent for those who prefer the convenience of the dishwasher. Finally, while the stainless steel is durable, it can potentially scratch if you're not careful with your utensils, although this is common with most high-quality stainless steel cookware. In conclusion, the All-Clad D3 stainless steel 10-inch frying pan with lid is more than just a pan. It's a testament to quality craftsmanship, superior performance, and enduring design. If you're serious about cooking, if you value precision, durability, and a tool that will genuinely elevate your culinary creations for years to come, then this pan is an absolutely worthwhile investment. It's a classic for a reason, and it delivers on its promise of professional performance for the home cook. Link in the description.